Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, we will see today what's the romantic feelings of your partner towards you. Friends, if you like my channel then please like and subscribe. See the feeling of a fortune card, ace of arrows and ace of cups. And these three cards, all the cards are suggesting me that your partner wants to come towards you, because in this card, the fortune card, the story is like that the angel every night comes to the queen for making love. This is the kind of feeling of your partner. So your partner wants to make love with you, and he or she secretly plans to come towards you, because your partner wants to offer his or her love towards you. Ace of cups is a card of love, offering love to someone, and you can see your angel, your partner coming towards you. And this ace of arrows, all two aces means 100% of this feeling of your partner is sure. Your partner is feeling or missing you too much, that's for sure. Your partner is missing you and wants to come secretly towards you, with the love, offer of love. This is a feeling I am talking about. I am not taking his action, I am talking about feelings. See, even you are very emotional at present. At present, during the moon time, you are going to feel very, very emotional. This week, you are going to feel very, very emotional. That's for sure. Because you are in a cups energy. When person comes in cups energy, the person feels very, very emotional. This week, you are going to feel very depressed. Also, you can vent out your anger on some people. Also, this type of feeling I am getting from this card. And awakening. Awakening is a card of when you get a awakening of your true love, that who is the person I love, truly love. This is the kind of feeling your partner is going to get in this week. Who is my true partner and whom I love? Your partner definitely thinks of coming towards you. In both the cards, I see the partner coming towards you. Just see, and the way you are shocked is also, you can get some shocking news from your partner. Ace of and ace of spades is a card of action card, so definitely partner thinks of taking action also. Not only he's thinking about you, but he or she is thinking about taking an action also, because the partner is in a cups energy. Previously a partner used to think lots of things like what to do, what not to do, how to approach, how not to approach. But now this card has opened in the reverse. So I think if your partner has come out of this energy right now, he or she is not in this energy. He or she wants to balance, this person wants to balance this relationship with you. Definitely he or she wants to balance this relationship with you, and your person is thinking of taking an action, because the person is planning everything, arranging everything. Seven of arrows is something person arranging secretly. So where a person is arranging secretly something or the other, because the person has got the way, because he or she has come out of the seven of cups energy, and your partner has come in seven of arrows. When seven of arrows comes, this person plan something secretly. Even the other person who is sitting next to him, or he will not know what this person is going to do. So he or she is so secretive about their plan. There was lot of conflict in your person's mind as to how to do, but now since the seven of arrows have uh, opened, so I feel your partner has got some way or some plan. He or she has sketched out some plan, and this conflict is going to get over in his or her mind, and the doors are going to open. Those are going to open for you all, as a partner is thinking of sending some message or ma- thinking of approaching you, because prince of arrows is a card of approaching someone or sending some message to someone. This is the kind of feeling I am getting. Now let us see what the angels have to say about your relationship. Opportunity, let go the past. Your angels are telling you to let go everything what is not serving in your life. Your anger, your depression, your expectation, let go of everything that is not serving you, because new opportunities are awaiting you. New opportunities are definitely awaiting you. Ask your angels. Angels are only telling you to ask your angels. Sometimes everyone has guardian angels and archangels. These are the closest angels we have, that is connected to us also, and to the universe, to the God also. If you anyone in the ancestor you believe, they are also your angels. Ask help from them. They will definitely help you. Communicate clearly with your angels. Clearly tell them what you want. Really express your feelings to the universe. Then the universe will definitely answer you. Do meditation. In meditation, ask your angels to help you. Definitely you will get the help from the angels. Now see what's the present condition of your partner there. Actually, you are expecting that if your person is married or if a person is in a third party, you expect that the person comes out of that relationship, or that he or she files for divorce, or they come out of this third party and they approach you. But whenever a partner thinks of all these things, a partner comes in a bad health, because they don't know, you have lots of expectation from them. So this expectation and going to the leaving the third party, the partner comes in a bad health. But the partner definitely loves you. That's not if he or she is coming in a bad health, doesn't mean that the partner does not love you. But there's so many responsibilities of the third person also, your also, family also. All this pressure is making your partner feel this way. See, this is a month of lovers card. So the partner is not able to come towards you. The partner is feeling so is feeling so bad. Your partner himself is feeling so bad because he or she is not able to approach you. Your partner is feeling bad. That's why your partner is planning something. Seven of arrows. The partner has planned something, or he or she is thinking of taking some action towards you. Some kind of message. At least on Valentine's Day, they are thinking of giving it to you. At present, your partner must be traveling somewhere, or they must be traveling in mind. I don't know, but some kind of traveling is definitely going, or you must be some traveling somewhere. This way, this I can see. But the doors to the heaven, the doors to the heaven are going to open soon. But you are not able to see this. But you are not able to see this. But your partner definitely visualizes all such things in his or her life. Your partner is visualizing all those things while traveling. The partner is visualizing all these things. Yeah, your partner definitely thinks of sending you a bouquet or something on the Valentine Day. Your partner definitely thinks of this because there is a strong Valentine Day feeling. This harvest card. Harvest card comes when everything is harvested and you are in the position of cutting the crop. This way, your partner is thinking of coming towards you. Let the crop harvest first. Your partner will come towards you. Yeah, and your partner is very faithful towards you. Don't think that your partner is not faithful. This card suggests your partner is very faithful towards you. But at present, you can see he or she is in the hands of the third party. But that that the belt I see getting loose. No one is holding this belt. That's why your partner will come out of the third party, and your partner is very loyal towards you. Oh friends, you got some clarity about what is going on in your person's mind. So friends, please like and subscribe my channel.